Hello everyone, my name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing how to request external users to share a file or upload a file in a SharePoint folder by using Power Automate. We try to make this 100% dynamic, okay, and also share one of the use case with you. So let's go and showcase you in the OneDrive, okay. So if you see in the OneDrive, if I select the folder, here you will get an option request of files. So once you get the link from the request file, okay, you can add the description, click on the next, and if you share this link with the any user, that user can able to upload the files and that we store in the this app folder. So the same thing we are doing with the SharePoint, okay. So now let's I go to the SharePoint. I am on the document one of the site PowerF project, okay. In the document library, created one folder here, request document, and if I able to select this document, then I not able to see that option. To enable that option, first we need to go to the admin center, okay. In the admin center, we have to go to the SharePoint, or you can be asked this point to do by to complete by the IT team, IT administrator or SharePoint administrator will do for you. So let's I go to the active sites. In the active sites, let's I select the my site here. Okay, my site name is Power Apps Project. Let's we search for here for the Power Apps Project by just simply clicking on this. Let's I go to the settings option, and in settings we have this option external file sharing. Okay, now we have by default it is set to new and existing guest. We have to select that to anyone. Means anyone from the outside of our organization now can able to share the files. Let's click on the save option here, and let's go to the SharePoint now and do the hard refresh. Let's do one more time hard refresh so our changes should reflect here. We have save as well. Let's I select the folder and just click on these three dots. Still we not get an option. Let's select these three dots. Here we are getting the option here request files. So if I click on the request file here, we need to give the same description. Okay. Let's I give the description here. You can give any description and click on the request file. Let's click on the next and we will get the link URL here. If I go here on the plus icon and simply just paste this one, okay. So you can see the URL is this one, okay, FS Power Apps, and then we have this GUID, okay, of our folder. So let's we go and try to build the Power Automate flow. If I click on enter, so here you can see we will get the interface to upload the files. You can, and if you are the new here, okay, you are not logging with anonymous user, you need to provide your name. So on the basis of that, it will create a prefix and you can upload the files. Let's go to the Power Automate now. In Power Automate for you, I already created one flow. Okay, it's a manually trigger flow. You can take any trigger according to your needs. This is just a demo, so that's purpose. I just take a manually trigger. Then we have the send an HTTP request to the SharePoint action. We will add from here. Just see. type your HTTP and you will get this action, send an HTTP request to SharePoint. On this action, we need to provide the site address, select the method post, and we need to give the URI. So this URI will be same completely. Okay, API web list get by title, our list. Here is our document library name. If you have the different document library, you can provide here. Then the get element by ID we will get here. Okay, and the last will give the share link as an after slash. Yeah, and then we have the body as well. In body we'll pass request, create a link true. Then we have the settings and keep the things like this one. Okay, if you have to set the expiration after 1 day 2 day, you can pass it here, neither keep it as it is. If you want the give the password to this one, you can give the password as well. So only once user gives the password, at that time only he can able to submit that. Description we can be put here, give me your files or request file, anything as per the convenient. And then I'm using send an email action here. Okay, and providing here. Okay, let's I go and type, showcase you how you can type. Just go select the dynamic content body, use the question mark here, curly bracket, single quotes, cap. So we need to first use the D. This is a path we are navigating. So this path you will get once you run your flow. Okay, I will showcase you from where you will get path, but this path is defined. You need to pass the same here. Okay, D. Then we go will go to the share link. Then in the share link we are going to the sharing link info, and from there we will get the URL here. Let's first save the our flow. I'm sending this to the my personal email ID. Okay, Thorat Sanika at the rate 98. Okay, and just click on the test here, manually test. I'm running this flow first time, so it is asking for sign in as well. Okay, checking the permissions. Okay, it's all good. Let's click on the continue and run a flow. Click on done. Our flows run successfully. Let's say change the tab here so you all can able to view. So here you can see I receive an email requesting file. I'm on the different window. If I click on this, I can able to upload the files here. Okay, the interface you can be see PowerS project is requesting file. Give me your files. I will select some of the files from a folder. Let's I select this one. Click on open. Let's I provide my name. Okay, Ravi, and the last name is Jadhav. It will create the prefix, so that's why it is asking for the name. Let's click on the upload. So file is uploaded. We can be upload more files as well. Let's I go to the one more time power automate and how you get this path. Let's I showcase you in this send http request. Okay, if you click on the output, so if you see in the body section, first we have the D, then we have the share link. Okay, in this share link we have the sharing link info, and in that we have the URL at the bottom. So we are this navigate this path and pass it here. Let's I go to the our folder. Okay, and see any file is currently uploaded or not. Let's I click on the request documents, and you can see here it is uploaded Ravi Zado. It is the name, that prefix is created by my name. Okay, first and last name, and this is the file name. So this, and also the modified by which showcase as a guest contributor. So in this way you can create a power automate flow and upload the files. Thank you friends, keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring. Have a nice day.